Hello, Year 3. I thought I would just create this short video to give you some tips on the Virtual Piano website. Now, the link is included in the lesson, so once you click on that link, you will get sent to this page. So there's a few little handy tips that I thought I would share with you. Now, at the moment, the piano sounds like this. The notes last quite long, don't they? It's almost like they're joined together. If you don't like that sound, you just press this sustain button and the notes become shorter, not joined together. I prefer that when I'm playing the virtual piano because it makes the notes sound clearer. So I turn it off, but you can keep it on if you'd like. The next thing I'm going to show you is not letter notes. I'm going to skip that one and come back to it. I'm going to go to keyboard marks. Now, keyboard marks is talking about the keyboard on your computer or your tablet where you type words. So you can see at the top of the virtual piano some letters and numbers. If you press those letters and numbers on your keyboard of your computer, you get the sound of the piano. Q-W-E-R-T. I'm now going to play those notes. I can do that instead of clicking them like I was showing you before. So right there I was using my mouse. And now I'm going to use the keyboard. It might be a little bit quicker that way. So if you want to know what letters you need to press to get the sound or the notes that you need to have the keyboard marks switched on. If you switch it off, they disappear. So let's keep it back on. And now we're going to go back to letter notes. Now at the moment you can see that the piano has no letter names on it to tell you which note is which. And that can be very tricky if you're not very used to playing the piano. So let's switch on letter notes. And now you can see all the letter names of all the notes appear in red. And this is very useful if you're playing the pentatonic scale and creating your own pentatonic melodies. Very handy indeed. So I hope that these tips have helped you and they make your life a bit easier when you're creating your pentatonic melodies. I'll see you next time for some more music. Bye.